What's up, guys? Remember when I said this?
It's not bad. I actually will say I kind of prefer the V1.
Yeah, I definitely don't agree with that anymore. So the bumper has truly grown on me. So yeah, then you also, do you remember when I said this?
But it needs its own spoiler, or its own front splitter. But I've already have an idea of which one I want to get, so that's good.
Well, here's that front splitter, and this is what it turned out like. Let's get into it.
Here's Johnny!
Remember back in the day when I said this?
I'm gonna try and drive fast, because I've never done that before.
Well, it turns out there's some people that were willing to help me with that.
Oh yeah. It's out on this cruise, guys. Boys bringing out the V8s. Look at that.
Oh, I don't want to avoid mine. Next part.
Good.
Yeah, I'm not even talking.
Look at that chomping. Yeah, here in Charleston, we do have a lot of muscle cars. A lot of Mustangs, a lot of Camaros. There's some BMWs and Audi. Look at that Camaro. CTSV. You don't see that all the time. And of course, you guys remember this McLaren from last time. Car be loving up one. Yeah, so she's out cruising right now, having some fun with it. First time. Have some cool people. Look at this. this, yo. Look at that BMW. What? I ain't worried about no headlights. That's right. Just worried about driving. Speed!
Yeah, oh man, a man after my heart.
That's right. We ain't here to look at headlights. This thing is chomping. Look at that hood scoop. It'll breathe you up. Big old nostrils.
I can smell you!
You like that drill?
Yeah, man. Them nostrils on that thing.
Take off and I'll tell you all about it.
It's intermission time.
Porsche. Who's Porsche? Nice Porsche. Don't see that all the time. I can always see a Camaro. I can always see a Mustang. Can't always see a Porsche. A red one too. Classic. I love it, sir. So after everyone got fueled up and was ready to go, we did some quote-unquote cruising to the next location where I took some footage of some of the guys and decided to parlay a bit. Man, I should have came out with y'all a long time ago.
Can't say where I was in that shit.
So much fun.
Oh yeah.
Guys, what have I been doing these past few years?
When I started, I was like, yeah, that BMW.
Woo. These are all the people out driving fast as hell for no reason. 120. Just having a lot of fun with it. Look at all these cars out here. Bad girls, new BMWs, look at that. Sexy, right? Got some monsters out here too. Some monsters. What's up, fellas? So after that serious dose of fun that I had, there's only one order of business that's left. Where are them damn fenders at? Hopefully they'll come soon, but once we get those on, I'll show you guys what those are about too. Till next time, peace.